This is the EcoFlow Delta Max, a portable power station with an expandable capacity for home backup or outdoor activities. In this video, we'll show you how to expand your Delta Max's capacity with the Delta Max Extra Battery or Smart Generator. To expand the capacity, you can connect up to 2 extra batteries or 2 smart generators to Delta Max. Alternatively, you can connect one of each. To connect an extra battery, use the extra battery cable to connect to the port on the side of Delta Max. You can monitor usage data at any time via the EcoFlow app. In extreme cases, you can use the EcoFlow Smart Generator for extra power. To set up your smart generator, turn the fuel cap vent lever and the engine switch to the on position and connect it to your Delta Max via the extra battery port. Once you're set up, the smart generator will auto-detect when you're low on charge and the engine will turn on to charge your Delta Max. You can alter the battery level at which the smart generator engine turns on in the EcoFlow app. You can also start charging the Delta Max right away by pressing and holding the electric start button, remotely from the EcoFlow app or manually with the starter grip. That's how to use Delta Max Extra Battery and Smart Generator. Need more tutorials? Head to our EcoFlow Support YouTube channel.